Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this key fob here. You don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this, 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is turn this key over like this, and here on the back you see this small button. Now you need to slide this button, and this way you'll be able to pull this mechanical key out. So when you remove the mechanical key out, turn the fob like this, you see this hole, and this is the side with the bottoms facing down, and now you need to take your mechanical key again and insert the tip right in this hole in the center. So insert the tip of the mechanical key right in this hole and twist it a little bit, push, and this way you'll be able to separate this fob into two pieces. So when you separate the fob into two pieces, right after that here, you see roll that battery. Now to remove it, take again your flat screwdriver, insert the tip here or here, it doesn't matter, and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just insert your new battery like this, and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. This step here is very important. Now when you place your new battery over here, take these two pieces again, this one and this one, make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and snap them together. When you snap them together, take your mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning, like this, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.